Hey friend, welcome back. We're gonna do a 15-minute strength training workout today. I've got my 8-pound kettlebells, mostly for the upper body. We've got a lot of combo moves coming up today, working the upper and the lower body together to really torch the heart rate. So let's get to our workout. All right, let's begin our workout. We're gonna get ourselves warmed up today. Get right into our full body combo workout. So begin just by marching on the spot. We are gonna move. You can be barefoot or you can wear shoes, whatever feels better. We've got some weights we're gonna be moving around as we build strength. Let's roll our shoulders here. So we're just getting warm, get our blood flowing, tone our body. We're gonna move with a little more intensity. Of course, take it at your own intensity level. Good. Start to make those arm circles, shoulder rolls a little bigger here. And again, we're just marching on the spot. Start to make them even bigger, straightening those arms. Nice. And let's do one more. Bring it around. Take your feet out nice and wide and just find a little twist side to side here. Let your arms move with you. Good. And hey, let's reach our arms, big stretch up and overhead. Nice work. And let's go ahead and warm up our lower body a little more. So we've got our feet nice and wide. We're gonna sit it down back for a squat down. And now notice we're going nice and slow here. During our workout, we'll pick up our tempo a bit. But again, we're warming up. The point of our warm up is to prime our body for a workout. We don't want to jump straight into it with cold muscles, but hey, a few minutes makes a difference. Keep this going, down and up. Think about weight sinking into your heels, chest is lifted, no leaning forward, and our arms are just simply moving to help us counterbalance. Keep this going, down and up, down and up. 4 more. We've got 3. Nice work. And 1. Good job. Shake out your legs. We're gonna give our quads a super quick stretch. Grab a hold of your foot or your ankle. Find your balance. Hold that in. Just a gentle stretch. Nothing too intense. Do the other side. Quick quad. Release. Balance. All right, so I've got a pair of 8-pound dumbbells. You can do this whole workout with your body weight. The weights just add a little bit more challenge. Use them if you'd like. Find something that's gonna challenge you. We're looking for light to medium weights here, targeting our upper body with the weights, although we use them for our lower body as well. We're gonna start by grabbing 1 dumbbell to start. And we're gonna bring it to those squats that we were just doing. Hold this down nice and low. 1 hand on each side, toes are turned out. We're gonna squat down and up, down and up. So when we begin our combo moves, I'm gonna start you off with your lower body movement. Then we will add our upper body movement in. I'll show that to you and then we'll put it all together. Sound good? Yeah, I'm pumped for it. Keep going down and up. So choose a tempo that feels good. If it feels better to go faster or slower, I want you to take it at your own tempo. I feel like I say that all the time, but it is so important for us to work at where we need to be. All right, can you find an isometric hold? So we're gonna hold it down as I show you our upper body move. Up, press, in, and down. Up, press, in, and down. So what does that look like when we put it together? Up, press, in, and down. Up, press, in, and down. So we get a little isometric hold as we do that curl. Up, press, in, and down. Nice. Keep this going. Whew, yes. All right, I'm getting warmer. I hope you are too. Now, if you want to add a little more something, here's what we can do. In our hold, can we lift? Lift 1 foot, and then it goes down. See that heel? It's just lifting during the hold. Tiny little change. Keep going. Up, press, in, and down. Up, press, in, a few more times on each side. We're almost there. Bring it down. Good. Up, drive. Nice. Last one, come up right here, and then just squat. Hold down and up, down and up. We're holding that weight at the chest. Brace your core. Down and up. So why do we so often use our leg muscles? Do lower body exercises. Your legs and your glutes are your biggest muscles. So that means you're gonna boost your metabolism even more when we work on building strength in them. Keep this going for 4 and 3 and 2. Now here's what we're adding. Squat and press. Squat and press. In and up. Good work. Now we're picking up our tempo a little bit. Do you notice? We're just going down and up, down and drive. We've got 10 more. That's it. Give me 8. Give me 7. Almost there. 5. Keep pushing forward. And 3. 2. Here's your last one. Nice work. All right, go ahead and grab your other weight. Oh, what a great way to start it out. All right, we're gonna be on our mat. Or not, you can also just be on the floor. We're gonna step one foot back. Back, and up. Other foot, back, and up. So slow to begin. We're gonna start slow because I really want you to think about how big of a step you're taking back. And like I said, this whole workout can be done with just your body weight. Anytime we train our legs, your body is your resistance. Back and up. Keep your chest up. And when you lunge, back knee, lowers down. You don't have to touch the ground like I just did. Sometimes you fall. Good. Okay. Couple more. Then we're going to be adding our upper body portion. All right. Take your leg back. Hold it here. We're going here. We're going out and in. Out and in. Now we're going to move with this in just a moment. So we're going to be alternating a right and a left foot going back. So it's out and in, out and in, out and in. Straight out to the side with those elbows bent. So we're working our shoulders here. Oh yes, we are. Out and in. And if you ever need an option, alternate your arm with your leg. But if it feels good, keep them both going. Good, almost there. 4 more. And 3. Good job. 2, 1. Now, step your leg back. We're on the other leg now. Find the isometric hold. Hold this here. New move, we're gonna do a hammer curl. Up and down. Up and down. Good, can you lower a little more? Oh yeah, we got this. Curl up and down. Up and down. Putting it all together. Let's go. We're gonna curl and step. Other leg back and step. Back to alternating those legs. And as you step back, squeeze your biceps. Back and up. Back and up. Nice, nice work. Just 6 more of these. And 5. Keep going. 4. Beautiful. 3. And 2. 1 more. Nice. Set one weight down. Good work. All right. We're going to hold this weight in front of us. Or we're going to balance on one leg. So take your foot back, but not too far like a lunge. We have a single leg deadlift. Good. Little bend in that standing leg. We lower down and then press. We're going to lower down and lift and press. Already starting with our combo move and press. Lower down. And lift it up. Good. Stay with that. Down. And up. If you need to go slower on this deadlift, feel free to do that. Really focus on that balance. Not that we're not letting our shoulders roll forward. We're not touching the ground with the weight. As our leg lifts, we hinge at the hip, and then we come back up. Imagine that from your foot to your head, it's one straight line. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Keep going. Down. Stand up. One more on this side. Down. And up. Let's bring some balance. Do that on the other side. Front. Step that back. Shoulders down and back. Here we go. Hinge. And rise. And press. Lower down. Hinge. And rise. And lift. But sometimes it takes one or two to just feel that movement on the other side. Everybody's body's gonna be a little different, where you feel one side is a little easier. Maybe you got a little more flexibility. Just take it to where you need it. You'll find that natural stopping point. And again, it feels different on each side. Keep going. You got abs and embraced. Keep that tension through the shoulder blades. We've just got a few more to go. Nice. Can we do 3 more? Of course we can. We've got this. 2 more. Nice. Last one. Coming at ya. Hinge. And lift. Press it up. Good. All right, come and take a seat. We are almost there. I want you to have one weight right here. So we're sitting up high. Hold this there. Down and up. Down and up. Lower down into the back of your neck. So we're working our triceps. But as we're here, we're really having to hold our core in. Stay with that. 4 and 3. You've got it. 2 and 1. Set that down. Hands go back. Out and in. Out and in. Right here. Not that many. We've just got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grab that weight one more time. Leaning back gently. Lower down and up. Down and up. 6, 5. Almost there. 4. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Set that down. One more time with those in and outs to finish. 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Whew, we made it. Take one leg out. Bring the foot in by your thigh. Roll the shoulders back. And find a big breath in here. Turn your body towards that leg and hinge towards it. Big hamstring stretch. How are you guys feeling? I hope you're feeling so good right now. Let's reach that inside arm up and over. Feeling a stretch through our side body here, maybe even down to our hip. And go ahead, lift that all the way up. Switch your leg, bring the other one out. Bring your foot on in. Sitting up tall, breathe in. Turn, look at that foot and leg, and reach for that. Taking care of those inner thighs, which worked a lot during those deadlifts. Reach down, up and over. Oh, it feels so good to stretch after working. All right, lift that up. Good job. We're gonna lean over to the side, grab a hold of your ankle, roll the shoulder back. We're stretching through the quads, opening up the hip a little more. That bottom leg is just there to support you, help you with your balance. Nice. And release that. Swing it around. Let's go to the other side. Hold that. Roll the shoulder back. Stay lifted through that arm that we're on. big stretch. Anytime we're doing squats, lunges, quads are working for us. Glutes, hamstrings, calves, core. It's an amazing, amazing thing to work our legs. So many of our muscles are working together. Good, go ahead and release that. Come and take a seat. You guys are done. I hope you feel so good, that your heart rate came up, maybe you got a little sweaty. You enjoyed our combo moves. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe so we can keep working out together. I can't wait. I'll see you next time.